I'm Josh, and today I'm doing an updated version of one of my very first dishes, BIR style chicken korma. A full list of the ingredients is in the description. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and turn on notifications. I just want to say a huge thanks to everyone for so much support on the channel recently. Thank you. Heat a pan on high and add 4 tablespoons of coconut milk powder. Stir vigorously for about 30 to 60 seconds until the powder just starts to brown and releases a fantastic toasted aroma. Carefully add 250 milliliters of the heated base gravy and stir through. It doesn't matter if there's lumps left behind, as these will disappear as you continue to cook. Now add 2 tablespoons of ground almonds along with 1 tablespoon of sugar and stir through. Time for the cream. Add around 100 milliliters slowly while stirring and allow it to come back to a simmer before adding your choice of protein. Today I'm using chicken I've pre-cooked, but you can add whatever you like. If you intend to cook raw prawns, I would add them in the last few minutes of cooking so they don't overcook. Simmer on high heat to reduce. Stir every couple of minutes by scraping the sides and mixing in, as this helps to develop more flavours as the sauce cooks. If you've used raw meat, check it's cooked and serve when the sauce is at your desired consistency. Serve and enjoy with a fresh sprinkle of coriander. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.